I guess I'll do this on a Friday. The flowers are taller than me, so I can't actually see across my yard. Oh look, somebody's built a nice big spider web. So I got 6 nice hefty okras after it rained a lot last night out of the garden a little earlier, and a pumpkin. Things are... so it looks like it's winding down, but despite the fact that it looks like it's winding down, I'm getting way more out of the garden now than I was before. So they're winding down while ramping up. So the thing that I'm wondering about is that a passion fruit vine? Because it sort of looks like that. And I thought I put empty passion fruit husks back in the pot, but maybe what actually happened is those seeds decided they were ripe enough to sprout, and they flew all over when it was windy, and now I have passion fruits everywhere. I think I need to take a picture and ask online and see if they are, because I've got a couple of them coming up here. And if that's the case, in the winter time, I'm going to take those and move them to be on the edge of this bed so that they're just crawling up this trellis. And maybe I'll get rid of the pots or something. Or maybe I'll plant something else in the pots. Who knows? So I'm finally getting more tomatoes out of the garden now that it's mid-September. I think it's what I was getting last... I'm gonna clip this back up because it fell. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna say it's the amount of tomatoes that I was getting out of the garden last July. I'm finally getting out now. I'm on like wave 2 of pumpkins. Oh, that's where that last stake went. Kind of wobbly. Took some more meds today for that leg that isn't feeling well. This is where that went. So things are... wow, that's supposed to be yellow and it's not quite coming through. Ooh, there's mosquitoes everywhere. Maybe I'm gonna head back up. Things are... huh, I wonder why that's wilty. And I just remembered walking in here that I was gonna get a jug of water to put on the multifida. So I think I'll put this guy on with the wooden bamboo stakes on my back steps. So I thought it rained a lot last night, but the multifida is still kind of dry, so I need to go back up to the house and get a jug of water for it to water that guy if I'm down there again. Then I'll take that picture of the supposedly passion fruit sprouts. What else? Oh, those, here's a view of everything. So and that horrible construction site. So, oh, you can see the mosquitoes. They're like flies flying around everywhere. Maybe I'm going inside faster than I thought. Maybe I go stand in the shed or something. I don't know if I showed you. I have 3 composters now. The third one came in a couple days ago. My asters are blooming. I have some in the front yard too. So those red blooming strawberries just got sent today. I was wondering where they were in the mail. So those got sent. The white blooming ones look like they're settling in, which is nice. Maybe I should show you in here. I got all of these 1, 2, and 3 gallon pots that I was going to move them in, and maybe some of those rose seedlings into this winter. I had ordered some more of these 10-gallon tubs because I got another order of berry bushes and a fig tree and a couple other trees too. Ooh, the mosquitoes followed me in here. This is so horrible. No wonder there's always mosquitoes in my house if they're following me everywhere. Anyway, I got this good Fox Farms stuff to pot everything into. Maybe I'll close the mosquitoes in there. So if I need any more soil to move into those pots, oh, and I got myself a recycling container too. If I need to fill in any extra soil in those pots, then I'll use that Fox Farms stuff. But I'm gonna use it for the, I don't know if you can see those passion fruits, those tropical passion fruits they're settling into. Here's that other aster, the big purple pile. It's a nice big one over there. The deer are leaving the house alone this year, which is nice. Probably because that whole entire forest got demolished, huh? Because there aren't ticks either like there were last year. So that spray that I bought that supposedly expires the beginning of next year, rather to have, even though it was kind of expensive, but no wonder Georgie was trying to break in here. I saw evidence of mice. So better to have something a little bit expensive expire, Georgie, than be covered in ticks, is my opinion. Hi, Georgie. He always thinks it's dinner time. What else? My pumpkins are almost done. So I got a bunch of seeds. I don't necessarily want to keep them all, right? But it's always good to have extra seeds on hand. Maybe I'll do a giveaway, like, who else is it on the plant forums? Who always does the pumpkin and butternut squash and stuff giveaways? Maybe instead of sending to him and making him do the work, I'll do a giveaway myself. It was just too much work for me this spring because I've been having all sorts of health issues the whole entire year, actually. And then I'd gotten some, I thought they were more canary melons, but it was something else. It calls itself Golden Dewlicious. So this one was particularly deliciously sweet, so I decided to save even more melon seeds. I am pretty sure I'm up to like 30 kinds of melon, including at least 10 kinds of watermelons. So when I was rearranging the plants upstairs, I don't know if I showed you the new racks that they're on. I took a bunch of cuttings of stuff that either broke or I didn't want to deal with it, and I just put it in here instead of setting up more jugs of water all over the place. So we'll see if it roots, and if it doesn't, it's okay, because I certainly have more than my fair share of plants already anyway, so fine. Georgie. Is it dinner time at all times of the day? Yeah. And then I had 2 subpinatas here. I split up the one that I had, but the one that didn't have a leading edge on it didn't grow any leaves, so I put it upstairs with the rest of the tropical plants where it's a little bit more humid and warmer. So hopefully it decides to do something. Everybody else here seems mostly okay, even though like this leaf is properly yellow, so I don't know. Maybe it's because the season is changing. I definitely don't want these plants to die because I like them all, but maybe I'll move the rest of the monsteras upstairs. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, Georgie, you don't belong up there. So maybe that's it for the week. A little bit of a shorter one, but I don't think anything else really interesting has happened. Yeah, that's it. Till next time. Bye.